Hi, this is Miss Pinto from Palisade Prep, and I'm going to show you how to add your remind feed to your teacher page, your Yonkers teacher page. So you can see right here, this is my teacher page, and over here on the right hand side, I have a feed embedded that shows all of my remind messages that I send to my students. Okay, so to do this, the first thing you're going to do is log into Remind on the computer. So you would go to remind.com and log in with your information. So I already did this part, so I'm not going to show you how to do that because I don't want to give out my phone number. So from this page on your computer, you're going to go where your name is in the top left-hand corner, click the little down arrow, and go to account settings. It's the first option there, okay? Then over here on the left-hand side, you see a whole bunch of things: profile, notification preferences, app integrations, widgets, message history, archived classes, and blocked users. We're going to go ahead and click on widgets. Okay. And then you can do this on a per class basis, but if you want to show all of your messages, you can just keep all classes selected. If you want to make it class specific, you can choose which class you want to do this for. This case, I'm just going to choose all classes. Next step is you're going to copy this code right here. So all you have to do is just click the copy widget code button, and that'll copy everything to your clipboard. You'll see right here, it'll say code copied to your clipboard. Okay, once that's done, you're going to navigate over to your teacher pages. Depending on where you want this to go, you're going to go to the page where you want to display this. You're going to click edit page. This is assuming that you're already logged in. Okay, if you're not already logged into your teacher page, it'll say log in at the top here, and you want to go ahead and do that first. But since we're already logged in, I'm going to go ahead and click edit page over here on my home screen. Okay, and what you need to do is you need to add the app from the menu over here on the right. It's called embed code. So it's this one right here. So you're just going to grab it and drag it over to this side here, okay? Once you drag it over, you're going to click the little green pencil icon. And then in this screen, this is where you're going to paste that code that we actually just copied. So you can go ahead on your keyboard and push Control V, or you can right click and click paste from the menu. Once you're done, you're going to click save. In this case, I already have this on here, so I'm not going to click save, but if you don't have it already on there, you would click save. I'm going to click cancel, and when you go back to your teacher page, you should be able to just refresh it, and your remind code will show up on your page.